So the first thing you want to do is whatever clothes it is, you lay it out like this. So for example, this is a sun shirt, and here's what we're going to do. You're going to take the bottom of the shirt, pinch the inside, fold it in, fold the inside like this. So we're exposing the inside, folding it in on itself. If it's a hood, take the hood, fold the hood down. We're going to take the sleeves, put them across like that. You want to get as much of the wrinkle out as you can. Then fold it this way. In on itself like that, like thirds. And then starting at the hood side, you're going to roll this as tight as you can. All the way over. Now you're going to take that inside that you have and fold it out. Fold it over. So with pants can be a little bit more challenging. What you're going to want to do, zip them up, button them, flip the inside. I like to do, I don't know, about like that much. And then all you're going to do is fold them over to where they're straight. Try to get the wrinkles out. If you can get this like wrinkle free for the most part, the cool thing is when you pack them up, if you're traveling, they will stay wrinkle free for the most part. Start at the bottom, roll this tight all the way up. All the way, all the way, all the way. Keep rolling, keep rolling. You're gonna get to the waistband. You just grab that tabs that you created and then fold it over onto itself. Like that. Straighten it out a little bit. Now you have your pants rolled. That saves space. Puffies are obviously a little bit harder, but all I do is kind of like scrunch it up, and then wherever I'm going to put it in my pack is where it's going to go. Like that. That's how you save space.
All right, guys, hopefully you found that little tutorial helpful. For more videos, check them out up here in these playlists. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, like, and subscribe to my channel. Other than that, peace out.